Let's define a graph for a service. Previously, we created the test service. Tap on Test. Up comes our report. Within Conn, you can define graphs in two ways. You can define them on the fly, or you can define them within the script. To define them on the fly, tap on a column, select the x-axis, tap on another column, select the y-axis, then tap the graph button. Up comes your graph. The default graph type is a bar graph. To change the graph type, tap the menu, tap Graph Type, and you can select bar, H-bar, line, or pie. Select pie, tap the graph button again, and up comes a pie chart. Graphs that are defined on the fly are not kept. If we back out of test and run test again, graphing is not defined. To define the graphing permanently, you need to update the script. Tap Edit Script. Tap Test to change the test script. When we look at the directives, we don't see any directives related to graphing. Tap the Help button. Tap Show Directives. If we scroll down, we see three directives related to graphing: Graph Type, Graph X, and Graph Y. If we long tap on Graph Type, tap Copy, long tap on Graph X, tap Append, long tap on Graph Y, and tap Append. We do this to save on having to remember directives. Back in our script, we make room for our new directives and do a long tap to paste. We will set the graph type to H-bar, we will set the x-axis to be the description column, we will set the y-axis to be the cost column, and then we test it. We can see that the x and the y-axis have been defined. When we tap the graph button, up comes our horizontal bar chart. We go back again, tap Save because we like this change. We go home. Now when we run test, we see that graphing has been enabled. Tap the graph. There is our chart. Don't forget to rotate your phone to make the graphing easier to see.